Good morning. Okay, today we are going to discuss about topic is straight lines. Already yesterday we have discussed straight lines. The previous knowledge, the inclination of the line, y is equal to mx, y is equal to mx plus c. The slope of the equation already we have discussed the previous class. Now we are going to discuss the topic is the equation of the straight line. The slope of point form. This is the slope of point form. The equation of the straight line. The equation of straight line. Point slope form. Point slope form. Right? We'll take this is the x comma y axis. So this is x dash, this is a y, this is a y dash. Right? Where this is here, the line is moving on here, L. Where this theta is make a angle theta anti-clockwise, a P point is lying on the line where here x1 comma y1. x1 comma y1. Actually we know that the equation of this straight line is we know that y is equal to mx plus c. This is the equation of the straight line, right? From this equation where y minus mx equal to c, where c equal to y minus mx. These assume that equation 1. So c equal to y minus mx, right? These are equation 1, right? From this diagram, p x1 comma y1, this point is lying on the straight line. This p x1 comma y1 is this point is lying on the straight line. That's why the straight line equation is y, this p x1 comma y1 lying on the L, lying on the line. So L, right? Therefore y1 equal to mx1 plus c is the equation of the straight line. From this equation where c equal to y minus mx1. This is equation 2. From this equation 1, from this equation 2, where equation 1 equal to equation 2. Therefore, y minus mx equal to y1 minus mx1. y1 minus mx1, right? Here, RHS side y1 is the transport this side. Already LHS side minus mx is the transport RHS side. So we'll get y minus y1 equal to mx minus mx1. mx minus mx1. From this, here LHS side as it is y minus y1 as it is no doubt. Next here, RHS side here m is a common in both terms m is the common. We'll take m is the common, remaining is x minus x1. So this is the equation of the whenever the given the one point of slope of the straight line of the form. Next topic is the equation of the straight line, the slope of 2 points. These are x comma y axis, where these are one directrix assume this is the line. So this line is moving on like where this point is a x1 comma y1. This p point is x2 comma y2. Where a is equal to x1 comma y1, b equal to x2 comma y2 assume that's the point. From this diagram, we know that from this diagram a equal to x1 comma y1, then b equal to x2 comma y2, where L equal to 0. This is a straight line. Therefore, AB equal to slope. AB slope equal to m equal to m equal to y1 minus y2 divided by x1 minus x2. So this is the slope of the equation. Already we know that whenever the equation of the straight line, the point of slope form, we know that this is the m1 y1 minus y2, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. This is the equation. In this equation, we know that slope. We know that m value y minus y2 divided by x minus x2. So this value we are substituting in this equation. We'll get y minus y1 equal to y minus y2 divided by x1 minus x2 into x minus x1. So take cross multiplication. Therefore, y minus y1 into x1 minus x2 equal to x minus x1 into y1 minus y2. So this is the equation of the whenever the slope of the point. Actually we are taking here y1 minus y2 divided by x1 minus x2. But we want to take here, this one is x1 minus x2 divided by y1 minus y2. This is the slope we'll take. Right here we'll get x1 minus x2 divided by y1 minus y2. So here change the equation. What is this? Y minus y1 into y1 minus y2 equal to x1 minus x2 into x minus x1. This is the equation of the straight line, the slope of the 2 points. Here this straight line is moving on like here. So this is a straight line. This straight line is moving here, right? We'll take this point is a comma 0. Then the B point is B comma 0 comma B. Where one point is P lying on here A x comma y. Understand? This L line is this line. This straight line is intersecting where x comma y axis with respect to x axis a comma 0. Same way similarly B point is intersecting y axis 0 comma B. Clear? But one point P x1 comma P x comma y is lying on this straight line. Where here? So from this equation, P point is lying on this straight line. That's why the slope of PB equal to PA. The slope of PB equal to PA. So from this diagram we know that B equal to 0 comma B, then P equal to x comma y, then A equal to A comma 0. A equal to 0 comma A comma 0, right? Therefore PB equal to PA or either PA equal to PB. Both are equal, right? PA is nothing but 0 minus y divided by y2 minus y divided by x2 minus x1 is nothing but a minus x equal to next PB is nothing but b y2 minus b minus y divided by 0 minus x. Therefore minus y divided by a minus x equal to b minus y divided by 0 is minus x. So take cross multiplication here. We'll take cross multiplication. Therefore minus y into minus x equal to a minus x into b minus y. Therefore minus into minus plus will get xy equal to a into b, ab, next minus ay, next minus xb, next minus into minus plus xy. Clear? Right, where here RHS side xy, next LHS side xy. They both are cancelled. We'll get final equation. AB minus AY minus XB equal to 0. So the both terms are negative terms. We are transferred that side positive. Therefore AXB plus AY equal to AB. Dividing on both side, here dividing on both side AB. Dividing on both side AB. Dividing on both side AB. Therefore, XP divided by AB plus AY divided by AB equal to AB divided by AB. Therefore, this one cancel. This one cancel. We'll get BB cancel. AA cancel. Therefore, X by A plus Y by B equal to 1. This is the intercept form. Intercept form. This is the intercept of the form straight line. This is the very important topic in this straight line. Normal form. Normal form. What is the normal form? Where we are taking this x comma y axis. We'll take here. We'll take here. One straight line is drawn like here. These are straight line. From the origin point, where from here, from the origin point is draw one line, a foot of the perpendicular on the foot of the perpendicular on the straight line. On the straight line, this point is n. Assume that the ray of the ray is a make a angle anti-clockwise alpha. Anti-clockwise alpha. Therefore, ON is nothing but P. Assume that where this one is alpha. Actually, we get this angle is alpha, but this angle is same alpha. How do we get this angle is alpha? Whenever this is a quadrant, whenever this quadrant rotate to second quadrant, we'll get this angle is become here. So the here A assume that A comma 0, then B point is assume that 0 comma B. Where this length is B, from this length is A. Clear? From this diagram, B equal to 0 comma B, then OA equal to A comma 0. From this diagram, OA equal to A. Next, OB equal to B. This is the from this diagram. Same way next one, ON equal to P. From this diagram, we are going to apply side triangle. Here triangle ONA. Triangle ONA cos alpha equal to adjacent is nothing but ON divided by hypotenuse OA. What is the ON? OS known as nothing but P divided by what is the ON value? A. Therefore, cos alpha equal to P by A. Therefore, A is transposed this side. A equal to P by cos alpha. These are equation 1. This is the equation 1. Same similarly, these are equation 1. Same similarly, next we are going to apply the second diagram, second triangle ONB. Triangle ONB sin alpha. Sin alpha equal to opposite is nothing but ON divided by hypotenuse OB. Therefore, ON is nothing but P divided by OB is something B. Therefore, sin alpha equal to P by B. Therefore, B equal to P divided by sin alpha. These are equation 2. So, we know that A point and B point. We know that A point and B point. So, already we know that intercept, what is intercept from? From intercept from x by A plus y by B equal to 1. Therefore, x divided by what is the A value? A value P divided by cos alpha plus next y divided by what is the B value? B value is P divided by sin alpha. equal to 1. Therefore, this take cross, this one reciprocal, x cos alpha divided by p plus y sin alpha divided by p equal to 1. Where this taken LCM is p, therefore x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to 1. Therefore, we'll get x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to 1. This is the normal form of the straight line. This is the normal form of the straight line.